A very interesting word that can mean to get up or to stop. Let's see. Master Azerbaijani word of the day has for you DURMAQ. DURMAQ. DURMAQ is to stand, to stop, or to get up. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences to see how we can use both. Now, to stand still, still means without movement, right? That's exactly. Hareketsiz durmak. Hareket, action. Hareketsiz, no action. Stand still. Birden durmak. To stop suddenly, or guess what? To get up suddenly. But depending on where you're going to use this word, you will know which one it is. Seher tezden durmak. Seher tezden or seher tez, early or early in the morning. To get up early, obviously, seher tezden durmak. Now, let's see some sentences. Nice and long one. Let's read it and then see the translation. Tıxacın ortasında kənara çəkilib yolda durmaq məcburiyyətində qaldıq. Çünki qarşıda qəza var idi və hər kəs siqnallarla bir-birini xəbərdar edirdi. Now, in the middle of the traffic jam, we had to pull over and stop on the road because there was an accident ahead and everyone was warning each other with their horns. Time to break it down. Tıxacın ortasında, in the middle of the traffic jam. Tıxac is the official word for traffic jam, but you will hear the Russian loan word probka. That's the way it is, I guess. Kənara çəkilib, we had to pull over. Yolda durmaq məcburiyyətində qaldıq. And stop on the road. Basically, we had to do. Məcburiyyət is obligation. Məcburiyyətində qaldıq. We were obliged to do. We had to do, basically. Tıxacın ortasında, in the middle of the traffic jam. Kənara çəkilib, yolda durmaq məcburiyyətində qaldıq. We had to pull over and stop on the road. Because, çünki, qarşıda qəza var idi. There was an accident ahead. Qəza, accident. Qarşıda, ahead. Var idi, there was. Və, and, hər kəs, everyone, signallarla, see, signal, it sounds familiar word, right? It's not signal, it means technically the horns, the sound that it makes. Bir-birini xəbərdar edirdi. Bir-birini, each other. Xəbərdar etmək, to warn, to let them know. Xəbər is the news. Xəbərdar etmək, to be aware, to become aware, or to make someone be aware. Okay? Let's see another sentence. Gəzinti zamanı muzeyin səssiz zalında qısaca durmaq istədim ki, tabloların detallarını sakitcə seyr edib fikrimi toparlayım. Did you see what I say? Toparlayım. Written, toparlayım. But first, let's see the translation. During the walk, I wanted to pause briefly in the museum's silent hall, so I could calmly look at the details of the paintings and gather my thoughts. Now, Gəzinti zamanı, during the walk, I wanted to pause, qısaca durmaq istədim. That means you wanted to stop, right? That's what I'm saying here, durmaq. So you understood. You're not going to stand up in the silent hall, səssiz zal, silent hall, museum. So you wouldn't want to get up, right? That's what I meant. In the context, you will know you wanted to stop, to pause briefly. Qısaca durmaq, pause briefly, to stop briefly. Now, muzeyin səssiz zalında, in the museum's silent hall, durmaq istədim. I wanted to pause a little, stop briefly. Ki, so, tabloların detallarını, tablo is the paintings basically. Detal, it's a loan word, details. Sakitcə, quietly, calmly. Seyr etmək, you look at them or you observe them. It's a beautiful word, seyr etmək. Fikrimi toparlayım, to gather my thoughts. Gəzinti zamanı, during the walk, muzeyin səssiz zalında qısaca durmaq istədim ki, I wanted to pause briefly in the museum's silent hall. So, tabloların detallarını sakitcə seyr edib fikrimi toparlayım. so I could calmly look at the details of the paintings and gather my thoughts. That was my way of using the word durmaq, and I have that joke case. Let's see what I have for you. My plan said go. My feet said durmaq. Now, if you are interested in going beyond Word of the Day, masterofzwg.com and Master of Zwing app is there. If you are happy with Word of the Day, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.